Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess and today we're going to be talking about JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language with the primary usage of making web pages interactive. And stay tuned till the end of this video for an exciting announcement involving what we've learned today. As always, we're going to start with the Hello World program. As I said in the introduction, JavaScript is used to make web pages interactive. So I've pulled up a HTML document here, and if you haven't seen our HTML basics video, I'll link it here. We've put in some script tags, and within the script tags we've said alert hello world, remembering semicolon at the end. So if I show you what this looks like, you can see how this is interactive as it's a pop-up alert. But JavaScript can also be written within the console, within your terminal, as well as within HTML. So if you wanted to do it that way, you'd say console.log hello world. And now this is different from a lot of high-level programming languages. Like Python would say print, in JavaScript you'd say print line. However, it's sort of similar to C++, where we would say console output, but we're saying console.log hello world, and we get our output here. So we'll move on to variables. And also I've commented these out so we can see, but comments are the usual, just 2 slashes. So if I uncomment this, we've put the string hello world into the variable hello. And JavaScript is dynamically typed like Python, meaning we don't have to say that this is a string. We can just say it's hello variable hello. For example, we don't have to say string hello. We can just say hello. And then if I uncomment this, it prints the exact same as if we had said console.log hello world, but we've said console.log the variable hello. I hope you found this video helpful. And now for the announcement. In next week's video, we're going to be combining our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript skills to build a super cool website. Until then, keep the code coming, and thank you for watching.